Parental guidance is advised.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we're going to be playing Cellar. I don't know why the hell I'm playing this game, because me and horror games just don't agree. You take a slab of cheese and you put it on a jam sandwich, it just don't mix. You understand? So I'm jam. I don't need the cheese. We don't mix. When I get scared, I initiate bad man mode, brush off everything. You understand me? I say nothing about the eye. So I'm going to be in bad man mode from the very.
Say what?
I'm going to be in bad man mode from the very beginning. So. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into this. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Come on. Wake up.
Help me. Please help.
Huh? Oh, it's interactive. Hey, sweet. Okay, so little girl, you could stay there and be all invisible and shit. I'm just going to look around this room. Oh, look at this pipe. Look at this, you know, this was built like 200 years ago, like fantastic structure. Look at this workmanship. Fantastic. Now let's turn around and I really don't want to click you in the...
Please help.
The difference between white people and black people in these horror things. A white man run over to her straight away, and black man straight out that door. I'm not talk to her. No, it's like an oven. They overcook the chicken. So we're just gonna keep walking. Let's back out of that. I don't like this, man. I don't like this. I don't have a good... I really don't like this. I don't know what's this thing. Apparently we have to collect stuff. I don't know exactly what I'm trying to collect. But Right, let's just walk up. Right, I was just testing your reflexes, you know, see how keen you are into this gameplay, trying to jump you know. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this to myself, dog? Like, why? No. Staircases are never good. Staircases are never a good idea. No way. Oh, what's that? There's a hole. Okay, I collected something. Alright, let's just back out quick before they come and try to get it back. Come on, let's just go. Dog, I don't like this, dog. I don't like this. Alright. Something was green here a while ago. Okay, what's that? Alright, is that another one? Yes. Alright, bitch. See, I bypass her. No biggie. Her sister come and try to scare me. And I'm here collecting these things like a boss. Yeah, Budman one! Alright, let's go. Alright, you know what? Bunny, let's just go up these. Motherfucker, don't tell me to jump, dog. Go away. Oh, no. Why? Dog, I'm actually sweating, man. Yo! Alright, come on. No scary zone. Let's do it. Ready for anything we want to jump out by me now. No scared of no dopey. Ha! Alright, let's look for these here orbs. We're unable to take your call right now, but if you leave us your number, we'll be sure to be in touch soon. Alright, let's continue our... Oh wait, no, I don't want to go downstairs yet. There must have been... Ah! For once, I'm going to be white. I'm going to follow her. I'm going to pursue danger. Because I need to know what the hell is going on in this place. Nothing on the ground, nothing on the wall. Can't go in any doors. Can't interact with none of these things, alright? Nah, bitch, go away. It's gonna be a jump scare. I don't know. No. Shut up. Alice, they told you can't sing for X Factor. Just stop singing for life. Shit. Nah, dog, stop this shit. Okay, I got one. It look like I'm collecting marbles. What we going to play? Sit down and play marbles with the duppy them after. What go on, man? Oh, man. Oh, I don't like this. This is making me sweat. This is no fun, dog. know, as horror games go, you know as soon as I turn around, there's going to be something there waiting on me. But dog, me not fall feet. Me not fall feet. You understand? Ready for you. Ready. Ready. Show yourself. Show yourself. Who wants to scare me? And let's go blood clot play out. Move yourself now, man. Play with that dolly, no man. You have Barbie dolls or some shit, man. You have to follow man for. I'm to you. Singing that shit. I don't want to hear it, man. Bumbo clot. I want new staircase this. Alright, same news. Kevin talk. No, it's new, it's new. Hey, nigga, we made it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yo, I'm halfway through the game, you know? I'm halfway through the game, dog. I'm halfway. Just get ready for them to try to stop us now. Cause anytime a black man making progress, people try to stop we, you know? No, there's heartbeat. Where's their heartbeat? Where's their heartbeat? Hello? KillerBitch.com. What? Nah, dog, you ain't want me to. What did I lose? Oh, it's timed.
Help me.
Kiss me, granny, it's timed. Alright, you know what? Let's help the little